Adding a vanilla Visa gift card to PayPal is very easy to do. Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open your Chrome browser and search for PayPal. Once the website is open, you need to sign in your PayPal account. After logging in, you'll see your PayPal account dashboard with options like Home, Activity, Pay and Get Paid, Marketing for Growth, and Business Tools at the top. To add your vanilla Visa card, click on the Pay and Get Paid button. Within the Pay and Get Paid section, you'll find several options, including Wallet, Invoicing, Make Payments, and Accept Payments. To add your Visa Vanilla card, click on Banks and Cards under the Wallet section. A new window will pop up. Here you have two options: Banks and Link a New Card. This time you have to skip Bank option. Since we're adding a vanilla Visa gift card to PayPal, click on Link a New Card. The next window will look like this. You'll need to enter your card number. After this, select the card type from drop-down menu. Then input the expiry date and provide the security code if you have. You can also update the address if you want. Finally, click on the Link Card button. This is how you can add vanilla Visa gift card to PayPal.